Hey there guys! Wanna attach and send PDF files via Gmail app on your phone device? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial and now let's get started. First off, obviously open the Gmail app on your device, and when you have entered it, make sure you're logged in into the correct Google account. When you made sure, just click on the compose button at the bottom right, and this will create this email mockup. Now in the to upper field, just enter the recipient's email. So when entered, go to the subject field and enter the subject of the email, for example, work file. And afterwards, finally, go to the compose email and enter the message to the recipient that you want them to read. For example, here is the work file you asked for. And finally, just click this clipper icon at the top and choose the Files option from this pop-up menu. Now from the file gallery, just select the needed PDF file and tap the Open option at the top right. So that's pretty much it. Now you can successfully send this email to the recipient, but make sure that the containment of the file isn't over 25 megabytes because Gmail has a restriction. So thank you for watching guys, and subscribe for more tips.